What's up, guys? It's Monday morning. I'm just on my way to go pick up Mike. So he just called me. He said he threw a battery in the Lexus and she fired right up. So it's been parked since before I parked the Trans Am. But yeah, let's get out and check out the 2J for you guys. Super stoked. Summer is coming. I know with this virus and stuff, it's got everybody on the down low, but we're still working. It's just a couple of us at the shop, right? So everybody make sure you stay in and stay warm and stuff so you don't get sick, but we can't help it. We got to work on our cars. So there she is. So non-turbo 2J. Super sick car. Sounds good. Mikey be looking out the window here any second. Fuck, she sounds good. Had to give her a little shot. I can't miss that. Sounds so good, bro.
I was surprised it started like it did.
Yeah, fired right up, eh?
Well, I didn't have the camera going first. I turned the key, and as soon as it rolled over, it started. I'm like, fuck, so I shut it right off when I grabbed the camera. I did it again. I'm like, shit, it started too easy.
Sick. Yeah, that sounds awesome, man.
So tomorrow will probably be the best day
to pull it out.
Today's plus 3. That's kind of shit. I looked at it, I'm like, damn it.
Yeah.
It's sunny out.
It's supposed to be plus 3 today too, though. So everybody else is boarded up for the fucking virus, and we're trying to get our street cars in. Yeah, she sounds something good. 2J.
That's a perfect room for that.
Yeah.
I was like, man, why don't you take the Lexus today, because on our way out to the trailer park, maybe it'll be fun.
Yeah. Yeah.
Fuck, roads like this with my car would be so hard. I'd probably just lose it, to be honest.
Yeah. Well, I wanted to take the Trans Am out too, and I looked outside, I'm like, nope.
No, that's a little greasy, especially that. Fuck, that's greasy on dry pave.
Yeah. Mint. Oh, let's go get Robert. Alright guys, I'm at Shell. 20 bucks, 17.5 liters. That's the cheapest diesel's been in like since the 90s, I think. Maybe the early 2000s. What's up, guys? So I just want to show you guys my uncle's shop, Rick Murray Auto Repair Restoration. Does a lot of metal fab, paint work, show cars. Basically, that's who painted my hatch 8 years ago. That's who painted the truck. Basically Brittany's Skyline, Justin's 240. There's a lot of cars. You guys will see them on the channel, so make sure you check out. Drop me phone. Not a big deal. She broke anyways. But yeah, this is it. Justin's 240 must be inside. Yeah. Oh yeah, I should show him a mud truck real quick too. Go take down some trees real quick.
Oh, she takes down.
She takes down the trees, yeah. It's my uncle's mud rig that he built. We got a couple of them. So we'll go out and one day with him there. Literally, you can go set it out in a set of trees and just point and shoot. So custom wheels, custom everything. The frame's all, you can see stock frames on the bottom, top frame. So it used to have a C10 chassis on it. And then he wanted to bring more people around, right? So he put this on top of it. So this nice Denali. This little Chevette's got a big block in it. See if I can't open it for you guys. Hold on. We're gonna get it open. Come on, old girl. Nope, can't get it open. All right, guys, I got it open. So it's got a 454 big block. You guys can see custom headers. All right, this is in a little Chevette. Badass, fully caged. It's an Acadian, actually. You guys can see billet shifter, gauges, wheel. Nice little street car. So there's all kinds of projects you guys will see on the channel, just like between muscle cars, imports, everything, you name it, we got it. So that'll be badass, as you guys see.
Quick show with blue on the truck there.
What is it? Oh, the blue on the truck. Trent's S10 too. Yeah, you can see the blue on the truck now. So that's what Ricky painted. She's something dirty, but yeah, this is my Uncle Ricky's shop. So if you guys ever need some restoration work done, hit him up. Having fun, Nova? Alright guys, this is the other one Ricky built, him and Chris. So this will be around too. Forgot to show you, they all got Rockwell rear ends in them. Yeah. Pretty sick. Put the foot there. Yeah, you guys can see. So this LS in this one. Just a mud truck. Hey, just a mud truck.
Mud trucks.
Couple sleds.
Small for rubber. Like when you serpentine, go right over.
Your Fox 4 diesel V8.
Fucking timing belt. Fucking thing just up down the fucking road.
No boost.
$5,000 note. Luckily, I called Jeremiah from Dash. Jeremiah gave me a fucking $500. I'll let this one slip off the back there. I'll help you out with you guys for $500. I said, man, I'll just fucking French kiss you good.
Ricky. Hey, we're going.